Hi, I'm Hengame. In this post, I will teach you how to make a special four-season salad. It's a fancy, delicious, and appetizing salad. This salad is so delicious that if you make it once, it will permanently go on your salad list for parties. Boil water in the pot, then chop the cauliflower into small pieces and pour it into the water. The size of the cauliflower should preferably be the same as in my film. Peel and slice the cucumbers into rings. Slice the tomatoes into rings, then turn the rings into half circles. You can also use cherry tomatoes here. Remove cauliflower from the boiling water after 5 minutes and pour it into cold water. Chop the broccoli into small pieces and pour it into boiling water, ensuring the size matches the video. Then remove them from the boiling water after 5 minutes and pour them into cold water. Next, grate the carrots into thin rectangular slices. We combine cauliflower, broccoli, cucumber, tomato, cooked sweet corn, and carrots together. Since I'm hosting a party, I will use twice the amount of ingredients I mentioned to you. Pay attention. 10 minutes before serving the salad, mix salad with the dressing so the freshness of the flavors is felt. Now let's prepare the special dressing. 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of dried dill, 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and salt and black pepper, each half a teaspoon. Mix the above ingredients together. In my recipe, I've doubled the ingredients because I have 2 sides of salad for the party. Now mix the dressing with the salad. And your special salad is ready to serve. Hi, I'm Hengame, so here's how to make crispy and tasty lime potato fries. These potatoes are so delicious that if you make them once, they will become a regular part of your meals forever. First, peel and cut 2 large potatoes. Then boil them in water with turmeric, salt, and thyme. After about 20 minutes, when the potatoes were done cooking, mash the potatoes. Just make sure to mash the potatoes well so there are no big chunks left. Next, grate 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. At this point, you can also dice onion and garlics. After that, chop 2 green onions into small pieces. I also threw in a half a hot pepper to give my fries a bit of a spicy kick, but this is totally optional and you can skip the pepper. Now we've got green onion, spices, salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, hot pepper, 1 egg, and 1/3 of mozzarella cheese and 3 spoons of cornstarch. Now mix the egg, cornstarch, mozzarella cheese, and spices together with onion and mix them with our hand. Next, we mix the garlic, onion, and hot pepper together and saute them in oil until soft, about 3 minutes. Then we add the grated green onion and saute until soft. Then we add this oily mixture to the potato dough and mix it with a spoon until it's uniform. Next, we pour the dough mixture into a piping bag. Let the oil heat up. Then we squeeze the dough mixture into the hot oil in whatever size you prefer. Flip the fries when one side is golden brown to fry the other side until it's also golden brown. The result will be very delicious and crispy. Hi, I'm Hengame. In this post, I want to teach you how to make very easy and very delicious coconut sweets. You will see it has a soft texture but several layers and crispiness. Well, for the sweet dough, you will need the following ingredients: 110 grams powdered sugar, 60 grams egg whites, 60 grams coconut powder, 60 grams liquid oil, and powdered pistachios. For making these sweets, you will need also a pack of puff pastry dough for sweets. Now to make the sweet topping, mix all the ingredients except for the powdered pistachios together and whisk them well until they're uniform. You see the concentration of your ingredients should be like what you see in the video. Bring the dough out of the freezer 2 hours before using it. Unwrap it, flatten it with a rolling pin until smooth. Then cut the edges of the dough all around and remove it so your sweets puff up nicely. Making vertical cuts, then a horizontal cut through the middle of the dough. Arrange the pieces of the dough on oven tray. Poke several holes with a fork on top of the dough pieces to allow for even puffing during baking. Now spread a spoonful of coconut mixture on top of the dough pieces. Then place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 16 to 20 minutes. Well, here's the result. Make sure to try it out and enjoy it with your loved ones.